Hey guys, welcome back, and for this video I'm going to show you how to copy a Discord server or duplicate your own. So basically you just need to go to any of your servers right here that you want to copy. Go to this, click here, click on server settings. As you can see, there will be a server template option right here, so just click on that. And a server template is an easy way to share your server setup and help anyone create a server instantly. So you could just put a template title, let's say my template, just like so, and first you could put the description. You can anything, just put there anything that you want. Just click on the tablet. Once you have the link, you could either copy it or you could also preview it so you can see. So it will copy all of the template channels, all of the roles and stuff. Once you're done with that, just click on create or click on the server name right here, and you could change it. Let's say trial server. Of course, you have to upload a picture too. Just click on create. Once you've done with that, as you can see here, it says trial server. It has all of the same stuff here, as you can see there. But if you want to create, or if you want to copy other servers and you don't want to, you want a new start, and you you don't want to think about anything on making a server and just want to copy others style and other server styles, just like so. So what you want to do is open your browser, and you could go here on discordtemplates.me, and you could view the top templates here, new templates. So let's say you want to take community, streamer / community server, or you want a gaming template. So you could go with view template right here. So you will see all of this, just like so. You'll see tons of games right here, just like so. And if you want to use it, just click on use template there. So you need to log into our website first. So and join. You could also join their server, Discord server. It's up to you. Just go there, log in there. Access user, author, and banner. You just click on authorize, and of course it will create your own Discord server right here. But that's it, guys. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps reach more people. See you on the next one.